Hello guys, everyone. Welcome our channel. Today in Republic Day, we roast a pig meat. Roasting a pig meat. But the necessary meat na. Our the real poi maker. Virgin pig. You don't fuck na. Lady, it's a virgin pig. Vivek da cutting onion, tomato. Organic, come from organic village. This tomato, all local, desi. What the virgin chicken na? What the necessary chicken? You don't fuck na? Cock, say virgin chicken.
Chicken.
Pure virgin chicken na?
Because this is not easy.
So you don't fuck na?
Cock did not do. Then that's why this is virgin.
Virgin chicken. Yeah. Virgin.
Wing.
Roasted a pig meat today. Our da lollipop babua.
He is a very good singer.
What the necessary singer na?
He has sing a lot of Bhojpuri song.
Bhojpuri song name to.
आगे से मारेला, आगे से पीछे से दुखैला. कच्चा कच मारेला. भाभी चला रेत में, हम चला खेत में. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. How old are you? How old are you?
18 years.
Then you are 18, I am 35. Then why did not you respect me? What the fucking you did not? You have no manner. Disappointed. You disappointed. Muste master.
Pig meat roasted.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, only one work. Eating, sleeping, hugging.
You na?
You did not know how to respect big people. See. What is this? Pork. Wow. I don't eat pork because I'm Chetri na. That's why I didn't eat pork. He eat pork. Mr. Master is all-rounder. He eat also dog meat.
Point maker also eats dog meat. Yes? Why point maker?
He digests everything. Dog, cat, meat.